Hello friends, today we are going to talk about forms in HTML. So first of all, let us make an basic structure of HTML page. So now we go to body. Okay, now first of all let me give you a definition of form. So forms are used to collect information from the users. Okay, forms in HTML are defined using form element with its opening and closing tag. So let's give you an example like this, and we have the closing tag over here. So this is done. Okay, now let me tell you about action attribute is used to point to a web page where you can go after filling the form. So for example, I have filled a form and you must have been using many websites, and you must have filled many login forms. So when you fill in the login form, it automatically takes to a certain page. So that is done using action button, action attribute. So let me give you an example like this. So we have to be it in double commas. So http www, let's say KIDWAI academy.com. So now whatever is there in this form, after filling that, it will automatically take me to KIDWAI Academy. There's one more thing that is called get and post. So get is used when you want to display the information in the forms to the user after he has filled it, and post is a much secure method because it will not show the information after you have filled it. So let me tell you how to enter it like this, and here it would be whatever you want. Let's say I want get. Remember, HTML is very sensitive language, so if the method is in capital, then you have to put it in capital. So we are not talking about this get or post right now, so let's keep it aside. Now I would like to tell you that how to make a form. Okay, to make a form you need to have to know about input. So input, let's say I want to type input, and yes, I want to tell you that input element has many variations. It can be text, password, radio, URL, submit, etc. HTML5 provides a better offer because HTML5 provides better forms, but we will I will make a video on HTML5 also, but let's right now concentrate on HTML4. So after giving input, we type in what type is it. Let's say it's just a simple text, and we wanted to name it, let's say username. So it will take in the values as username, and we close this tag. In the very same way, we use br element so that both of our forms does not come in the same line. Now we type input, type, let's say we want to take password. So the difference between them is you will see it soon. I will make it and then you can see what the difference between them. So let's name it as, let's say, password. We close this tag. Okay, now let's save and run this file to see what's the result. So let's save it with document.html. So it will ask, and then let's see. So when I click on this, you see there's a username in which we can enter anything which is visible to user after typing it, and there's a password section where you can type anything and it's not visible to user. When you click on this, then only it's visible. And this was the attributes for a normal form. Now we talk about form elements. We can also make forms of you must have been seen female or male forms like that, so that can be made using radio. I will explain you it better that I can explain it to you better using example. So let's say my input type for this form is let's say radio, and the name is gender. This is how the value will be taken up as, and the value of this box is, let's say the value is male, and we close this tab and we type in here male so that it's visible on web page. Now first of all I would enter a BR tag here so that it breaks the line and we can see a new form. Now we again break a line over here, and we simply copy this and paste it in the next line, and you see all the values are same pasted over here. Now let's change it to female, and let's type in over here as the male automatically is here. Now let's save and run this. So now let's go to our document and open this. So now you see we have two more fields that are male and female, so I can type here anything, and let's type some password over here. Then I will select something, let's say any of them. So this was enough. Now let's make a submit button so that we can submit the form. So submit is very important because without this the form is incomplete. So to submit a form you need to just type in input, and you need to give type name as submit so that there is a submit button and you can submit the form. Now let us give it value as submit so that the form is submitted. Now let's close this tag. We'll save and run this file. So here we are. Now we have a submit form over here. So let's say I typed something over here and email and submitted the form. The form is submitted. My net is not working right now, or else it would have taken me to KIDWAI Academy, because you remember we have entered action attribute as KIDWAI Academy. So friends, on this the question that would be rising in your head can be that where will the form go? So after the form is submitted, the data should be processed on the server using a programming language which is based on servers such as PHP. So thank you friends, this was enough for this video. Please watching my channel. Please visit my website KIDWAI Academy. Thank you.